your girl Deja, aka Deja Vu, and I'm back again with another super dope amazing video. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a girly pink colored reindeer for Halloween. I chose pink because I wanted it to be girly and I wanted to do something different other than the basic reindeer looks that girls do for the season. I didn't have antlers, so I improvised and used this cute little Christmas hat from last year. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog. I know that you'll share those videos with everybody you love. Sarah Good is be popping. This is definitely my first time doing this look, so I'm learning with y'all. And I was just simply having fun. So if y'all want to see it, stay tuned. I love y'all so much, and let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so on this part, I'm just using my LA Girl concealer to regularly conceal my face. I already put on my foundation and did my eyebrows, and I did my lashes, but y'all will see further along in the video that I had to take my lashes off because it wasn't working with the shadow. So yeah, I'm just doing my regular facial routine. I did use way too much concealer, but that's okay because the look turned out bomb, as y'all are about to see. But I'm just doing this regularly, and then I'm going to go into the rest of the face and how I do the look. In this part of the video, you see I am using Mocha and Bordeaux as the transition color, and then I will proceed to cut my crease of my line of my eye, and I'm going to be putting banana powder with a mixture of translucent powder on the top, just so the color can come out more pigmented. For the pinkish color, I will be using Totally Fetch, Cotton Candy, Sugarland, and this one other one that I cannot pronunciate, but it's right next to Cotton Candy. I will be using those 4 colors to make my colors.
Audio Jungle. On the beat.
On this part, I just wanted to outline my face just to see where I wanted to put the color. And then once I figured out where I wanted to put it, I just used Totally Fetch just to color in my face and to make it look pink and pretty. I didn't point this out, but what I'm using is my ColourPop eyeliner. So I'm basically just using it to outline my nose and then the bridge of my mouth, my lip, and then my lip itself. I'm using this because it works really well and I didn't have any face paint, so you know I had to make it do what it do, and I got the job done.